Yeah. Wow. Have you ever feel like now you gotta reach for the light? This is how you take sight. Let God and Jesus and the Holy Spirit give you might, so you can win any fight. Is that what's right? That's what. Okay. Oh yeah. All right. Yeah. But no. Listen to me. You got it right. We gotta fight, but we can't lose tonight. So I'm gonna make a win, coming for you again. I'm gonna save you every second, save you in a minute, save you in the hour, save you every day, save you every year. Whoa, that's a long leap. Hey, about to make it unlimited. I'm about to make it limited up a hill. I'm about to make it limited, as if I'm reaching God. Up in here, up in there, up and where, everywhere. Don't you know? I got the flow. I gotta bring it out though, and keep it in. I gotta increase. I gotta increase. I gotta let myself, let everything bad decrease, so I can make myself into a better me, for my future to become what it needs to be. Hey, I'm losing my mind. I'm simply blessed. I love more and worry less. Every family is one of life's greatest blessings. Every family has a story. Simply blessed. Make it right. You know what I'm saying? Dear God, I might be losing my mind, but you bring me back every time. I put it to your right. I put it to the test. I put it to what's best for you and me and everything.